Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can download apps without payment method in your phone. So without any credit card and debit card, you just install any apps in your iPhone. So you have to make sure some settings in your phone. Simply you have to just go to settings and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Just like that, just go to the main interface of your setting and you have to make sure that you have a strong internet connection. I have a strong Wi-Fi connection, so I'm gonna connect with my Wi-Fi. So if you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, just connect with your Wi-Fi. And also if you have a strong network connection of your mobile SIM, just connect with your mobile SIM data. After that, you have to make sure that you have a not connected with any VPN services. After that, simply you have to just go back and just simply go to App Store and just simply go to the main interface of your App Store. And here is the main interface of your App Store. You simply go to the profile section and just go to the account section of your App Store and just tap on that and simply wait for a second for the loading and you just go to that interface. You simply have to just tap on a country and region, just tap on that and just go to that interface. After that, just click that on that region and you have to go to that country where all are free. Just so I'm gonna select a United States country. Just find a United States and just tap on that and just agree the agreement, just like that, continue and just agree the other terms and conditions. And we have to just select unknown, so it's saying that you have just input the credit card, so you don't have to input any credit card details. You just have to select unknown, just like that, and you just type in any random streets address of United States and just tap on done. So after that, you just simply go to the App Store and just install any app in your iPhone. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.